Hello everyone. Today, we are going to explore some powerful and impressive working machines. Let's follow the amazing performances of modern machines in the working process. Don't forget to give yourself a like button. This is a compactor that is working hard at the construction site, performing the task of leveling and cleaning the soil and rocks to prepare for the next stage of the project. With its wide adhesive and powerful motor, it can easily transform large blocks of soil using hard rocks and create a solid foundation for the construction. The security machine plays an important role in the construction of roads, houses, irrigation dams, and many other projects, making the work more efficient and saving more time. In the vast fields, vibratory rollers are working tirelessly, layer upon layer of soil being compacted under the powerful force of the large steel wheels. Each roll makes the ground more solid, ready for the next phase of construction. The sound of the engines blends with the powerful vibrations that spread throughout the area. Workers monitor carefully, ensuring that every area is compacted to the required standard, creating a solid foundation for future construction. Here are two machines. At the construction site, an excavator and a pneumatic press are used to install the water pipe system in a safe place. The tensioner carefully digs underneath, creating a suitable space for the pipe. Workers meticulously guide each large pipe section to be lowered into the correct position. Meanwhile, the press machine supports the reinforcement of the slope, ensuring that the soil and rocks are not eroded and affect the process. After the pipe sections are firmly connected, the excavator continues to fill the soil and rocks on top to protect the pipe, while the machine safely glues the surface, keeping the transmission line stable. This work requires precise techniques and close distribution between people and machines, helping the water pipe system operate sustainably without affecting the environment. At the construction site, a dying excavator is working. Each bucket of soil is lifted and dumped into the waiting dump truck. With a stiff arm and a sturdy bucket, the excavator quickly digs deep into the ground, moving each block. The dump truck stands right at the edge. The driver adjusts the position to improvise and fill the bucket effectively. As the bucket increases, the excavator slows down, ensuring that no soil or rock falls out. After completion, the dump truck accelerates, leaving the soil to the designated place, giving way. The smooth coordination between the excavator and the dump truck helps the work of mining and transporting soil to take place quickly, contributing to promoting the progress of the project. On the dangerous mountainside, an excavator and a compactor work together to pave the way. The excavator digs up layers of soil and rocks, moving large boulders, while the compactor levels the surface, compacting the roadbed. Both machines work tirelessly, gradually opening up a new path, helping to move over the mountain. This is a powerful wood peeler that removes the outer bark quickly and efficiently. Logs are fed into the system, and the bark is cut cleanly and round in just a few seconds. The machine saves time, improves efficiency, and standardizes data for all types of